Guten Tag, liebe Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen in Berlin. Welcome to the virtual Aqara IFA 2024 booth. Recently, we have launched a number of very important products, such as the Smart Lock U200, and we are not going to stop. This year, we will invite you to the biggest booth we have ever had. It will feature dozens of new products and solutions, which are intended not just for Europe, but also for the whole world. So let me introduce some of them one by one. And probably the most important product of this show is something our users have been waiting for a long time. This is the Aqara Camera Hub G5 Pro. It is our first outdoor camera that also acts as a hub for Aqara Zigbee devices. This is one of the few cameras on the market that can withstand temperatures down to minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, it has the full IP65 rating for year-round surveillance. With the G5 Pro, we're bringing image quality to a brand new level. We have introduced our most advanced lens and sensor solution ever. We call it True Color Night Vision. It allows you to achieve day-like footage even during the darkest nights. This works even when the built-in dimmable spotlight is off. The G5 Pro will come in two versions, Wi-Fi and Power over Ethernet. The latter will make it suitable for retrofitting existing Ethernet wiring for increased stability. It will also make it the only HomeKit-enabled Ethernet camera on the market. Apart from HomeKit, the G5 Pro is confirmed to support the upcoming Matter camera specification. It supports streaming to Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings-compatible displays. It also features RTSP support. And of course, we have packed best-in-class local AI recognition into it. The G5 Pro can detect pets and faces. It can also recognize a particular car and open the garage door controller for you. Additionally, it can detect and protect packages. The second product we are going to announce is the Light Switch H2EU. This is the first product from our brand new line of switches and dimmers that will be shown at our booth. Design-wise, the switch addresses the issues of the previous H1EU. Now it supports 55mm third-party frames, making it fit seamlessly with your interior. It also allows easy swapping of switch buttons. This means you can install it into darker frames right out of the box. And for the first time, the H2EU will support the 2-in-1 neutral technology. Instead of having two separate versions, no neutral and with neutral, of the switch, the H2EU makes the neutral wire optional. This makes it a no-brainer for both groups of users. The H2EU will also be one of the first products to support easy switching between Thread and Zigbee protocols. The default Thread mode is perfect for those who want to use the switch directly with third-party hubs. Zigbee mode will make it compatible with classic Zigbee 3.0 hubs, adding advanced functionalities. What's really important about this switch is that it's not just a typical device for automating your existing lights. This switch pushes the concept of convert to wireless switch functionality to a brand new level. It lets users use any of its buttons as a wireless switch, not only in their current home, but also in third-party Matter apps. Now you'll be able to use any of the switch buttons as you wish. For example, you could control other devices such as smart curtains, the alert system, and more. And of course, the switch will feature other functionalities well known from other Aqara devices. These include overheating and overload protection, LED indicator settings, design quality, durability, and much more. The third product is the VoiceMate H1, an accessory for Aqara hubs like the Hub M3. It grants them voice control capabilities. Acting as an external microphone, it focuses on privacy and flexibility. Unlike traditional smart speakers, VoiceMate H1 prioritizes privacy in several key ways. Instead of constantly listening to your surroundings, it only activates the microphone when it's picked up. This ensures it never records you when it's not needed. Once your commands are executed, they are promptly cleared from both the device and the hub. This provides an additional layer of privacy protection. This approach also eliminates the need for a wake word. It makes interactions more seamless and intuitive. VoiceMate H1 works with Aqara Copilot. This is a Gen AI-based interface for Aqara Home that uses the Frontier Large Language Model to enhance smart home control. In addition to its privacy features, the VoiceMate H1 is portable. It can attach to metallic surfaces. It also boasts up to 1 year of battery life, allowing for convenient placement and use throughout your home. The last but not least, we have the Aqara Valve Controller T1. Before this, our water leak detectors could only notify you of a leak, But now, with the valve controller T1, you can finally achieve fully automatic local water shutoff. This means that in the event of a detected leak, the valve controller T1 can take immediate action to prevent water damage. This controller is versatile. It supports two different valve types, lever and butterfly valves. It's designed for easy DIY installation. This allows users to set it up on their existing water or gas valves without the need for plumbing expertise. For those looking to integrate their smart home systems, the valve controller T1 supports third-party integrations over Matter. Once connected to an Aqara Zigbee hub, it can be added to smart home apps such as Apple Home, Google Home, Home Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and others. All of these function locally for stable and reliable performance. Speaking of reliability, the valve controller T1 supports battery operation. This means it continues to function even during a power outage. It ensures that your water and gas safety systems remain operational at all times. Thanks to its low power consumption design, the valve controller T1 can operate for up to 2 years. It provides long-lasting protection and peace of mind. And these were just a small part of the new and existing products we will have on our booth. Apart from them, we'll have the whole new line of the European switches, the complete window covering solution, the B2B automation platform, high-quality lighting, and much more. So welcome to visit us at Messe Berlin, Hall 1.2. Thank you for your attention.
Aqara, continuous connection.